Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox a really interesting thing. This is Cosmic Byte GS410. This is a gaming headphone. Let's unbox this. So guys, before unboxing, I'm just gonna show the box. So here we have Cosmic Byte logo and Cosmic Byte name and Cosmic Byte logo, and the headphone itself. It's GS410 model. It's a gaming headphone. Onto the right, it shows the side of the headphone. In the back, we have some specification. In the back, we are having some specification. Like this brand name is Caution Eat. I don't know why. So it's a gaming headset. It supports mobile, tablets, laptops, even PS4 and Xbox One. And it has a driver diameter of 40 millimeter. I don't know what the heck is this thing. Frequency range is 50 Hz to 20 kHz. And some microphone. So it has a frequency range about 15 kHz to 20 kHz and something. Cable length is 2.1 meter. And some similar, I don't know, I studied in science or maths, I just don't understand that symbol. Comment down below. And it has a headset jack of 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. It is having a single 3.5 mm jack for audio mic and supports all the things. And content, it's only one headphone and product and okay, it has a warranty about 1 year. Its MRP is about 1050. I don't know, you guys can see it. Okay, it has autofocus. Yeah, now it's okay. So the MRP is about 1050, but in Prime Day offer I just bought it for 649. So it has package and import on 8/2018. It has a warranty about 1 year. We just don't need that thing. And this side same. In the top we have nothing, just caution each and some the same thing. It even says the model and all. It even supports iPhone and Android. iPhone is very good, and PC I just use for laptop and iPhone mainly. So let's unbox this thing now. So it's gonna unbox this thing and pull this thing out. Okay, some packaging. We have the headphone itself. Let's keep it aside. Careful. So, and we get a manual. So this is PS410 and shows how to install this. If you have a PC or laptop which has dedicated microphone and audio jack, you should buy a splitter maybe. Yeah, it is not included. You should buy your own splitter. And so that's how it has having like okay, nothing else, just some crap. Let's throw it. So let's put the box aside and let's keep the headphone here. So first, to do this, I really love doing this. Okay, enough. Let's take the headphones out and take it out. So first impression, wow, this is so huge guys. Really, this is so big. And I really love this design so much. Like, it's so awesome guys, see. And here we have the mic. It's also like hidden mic. Okay, let's take the outfit. So here is the package. It doesn't need the two. So now it is the headphone itself. So it is so nice and large, and I really like this cushion. This is awesome, and we have even a headrest, and it even height adjustable. Ouch, it's even height adjustable. So see, as you can see both sides, and we have a so this is the volume control and on off button for the headphones itself. And it just looks like a mouse guys. I don't know why, it just looks like a mouse. And so if we off it, it will off. If we on it, it will on. So now I'm gonna bring the laptop and test the headphone. Let's go. So guys, I just bought my laptop. Sorry, brought my laptop. So let's get into it. And here we are. If you want to know what laptop it is and specification of it, click the I button to see it. So here is the headphone. Let me show you. Here is the headphone. Now I'm gonna connect it to it. First, let me remove this wire. I don't know, it has certain. Okay, no need of wire. So let me get back to it. Then I can show you the port. Here is a headphone jack. Let me focus it. Yeah, here it is. I'm gonna now put it on the laptop. So here we go. Okay, connected to the laptop. Laptop doesn't show anything up to now. Maybe it has connected. Let me see. Okay, it is an off, guys. Let's turn on this. Okay, it has turned on. Let's see, it connected. Okay guys, I will try to play a video now, so I will meet you after that. Okay guys, I got it. Why it has not shown it? Because it just works like that. It just thinks that this is a speaker. The laptop just thinks maybe it using the same driver. So if I play the music, you can hear now. Yes guys, it's the headphone sound. I can use it like a speaker also. It's so loud. So maybe let's decrease it and see. See, when I decrease it, nothing can be here. See, I don't know whether you guys can hear it. So that's my intro. So I'm just gonna wear and listen to it. So guys, really, this headphone sounds very good guys. The bass is awesome and the sound is very good. Maybe the clarity is little bit odd, but I really like this guys. I just need to test a microphone. Indian, maybe you guys maybe have that. So, and in design wise, I really like this one. So let me focus a little bit. Yeah, I really like this one, but the only thing which I doesn't like is this one. This one gets dirty so much. Like if I touch one time, my fingerprint just stays there. So that's the only issue with this one. Otherwise, very good headphones. Now you're gonna have the microphone test. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like in the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. At last, I got a gaming peripheral, so I'm so happy right now. So this is a microphone test. Actually, I think you may also see in the middle of the video because some changes need to be done there. So thanks for watching guys. Leave a like in the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.